Hey everyone, myself Desav from class 7B. I am here to talk about heart and how does it work. The heart is an organ which beats and pumps blood to all the parts of our body. It is a conical and highly muscular hollow organ situated in our chest cavity. It is roughly the size of one fist. It is centrally placed but tilted towards the left. It is a four-chambered structure consisting of the right auricle, the left auricle, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. The top chambers with thick walls are called auricles. The two lower chambers with thick muscular walls are called ventricles. The heart is enclosed in double membrane called pericardium, which contains a fluid in between the membrane. This protects the heart from any shock and mechanical injuries. Atrioventricular opening have valves like example tricuspid valve between right auricle and right ventricle and mitral valve between left auricle and the left ventricle, which prevents backflow of blood. Aorta have aortic valve arising from left ventricle and pulmonary arteries arising from right ventricle have pulmonary valve. How does it work? Right auricle receives oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood from the body. It then contracts and pumps this blood to right ventricle. Right ventricle contracts and pumps this blood to lungs. In lungs, the deoxygenated blood keeps out carbon dioxide and absorbs fresh oxygen from air. Then left auricle receives oxygenated blood from lungs through pulmonary vein. It then contracts and pumps this blood to left ventricle. Left ventricle contracts and pumps this blood to our body organ through aorta. Thank you.
The largest artery in the body is the
Aorta.
What is the study of the heart called?
Cardiology.
What is vena cava?
Vena cava.
Yes.
You can look to a chart.
Vena cava.
It is already written. So what is vena cava?
Vena cava. Yes. Receive a deoxygenated blood.
What is the average heartbeat per minute
72 times
and in day?
in day.
Average heartbeat per day?
and normal blood pressure. नॉर्मल ब्लड प्रेशर कितना होना चाहिए हमारे बेन का? जाते हैं वो चेक करो, बीपी चेक करो हमारा
हाँ.
कितना होता है फिर को?
ये 120 के
Yes, 120
120
80.
by 80.
Yes, right.
So what is the average heartbeat per day? That is 1,800,000 times. Okay. Which part of the heart that divides the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood?
Septum.
Septum. The name of the valve present in the right side of the heart.
ये tricuspid.
Tricuspid.
And this which chamber is heart of the heart is pump oxygenated blood to the rest of the body.
The left.
Which part of the hearts are behaves like the Door of your house.
Auricle.
Doors and windows of your house. Which part of the heart? That opens only to one side, not both the sides.
One side. Right.
Huh? That is the valves. Only it opens to one side, not both the sides. What do you mean by deoxygenated blood?
Carbon dioxide rich.
Carbon dioxide rich blood. So if carbon dioxide rich blood, whether it will contain oxygen or not?
Less.
Less amount. Minimum amount. Okay, thank you.